Today's topic is how to use watermelon for PCOS. Watermelon contains high amount of citrulline, an amino acid which gets converted to arginine. Arginine increases blood supply to body, reduces blood pressure and body fat. Citrulline improves insulin sensitivity and also helps to reduce cholesterol. There are two ways of using watermelon in PCOS: watermelon pulp and watermelon rind. Pulp contains more sugar or is high in glycemic index. This may increase blood sugar level and also body weight. So, while using pulp, use small portion of pulp with other foods which are high in fibers, healthy fats and proteins. Watermelon rind or peel also contains high amount of citrulline. Rind is high in soluble fibers which help to reduce food craving and aids in weight loss. These fibers help to relieve constipation. Rind can be used in sabzi, dosa, chutney, curry, pickle, etc.